Hey Yi, how's it going? Same day, took a little lunch break, a little longer than I thought, but all good. So, we are on test 4. This is question 1, all of them, A through E. Okay, so, there's a bunch of square root problems. So, negative, come on, come on. Negative square root 64. You can see that, right? Yes, you can. So, square root of 64 is going to be 8 and negative 8. So it's plus or minus 8. But there's the negative on the outside, so it's negative plus or minus 8. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't actually matter at all. It's still, the answer is still plus or minus 8. It just happens to be negative plus or minus 8, so the positive 8 is the negative 8, and the negative 8 is the positive 8. You still get the same two answers. That's A. I'm going to try the blue marker. Give me a second. Oh, much better. Okay. B. Square root of negative 16. You cannot square root a negative. You don't have to do any work. The answer is this, and now you gave me a half point off on this and the next one because you were wondering, what do I mean by this? And the answer is no. So there is no value. It's not 0. It's not the number 0. It's just that there is nothing. There is no answer to this. That's what I meant by that, and I should have explained that. So, next one, square root of 0. Now I put it, again, as this. That's wrong. It's not that I didn't explain it, it's just straight up wrong. It's 0. 0 squared is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. D. Square root of 27, square root of 12. Give me a second. You know what? Actually, this is fine. So, I got this wrong. What I did is I square rooted this, turned it into 3 and 9, and then 2, and then simplified it to 2 squared 3 and made it 6 squared 27. I don't know how I got that. Doesn't matter. It was wrong. What we will do is multiply them so we can make these under the same square root. I'm just going to do the long multiplication because I got it wrong, so it's not on here. 27, 12. 2 times 7 is 14. Put the 1 here. 7 times 1, and then add the 1 is 8. 80. That's about 8. 84. Put a 0 here. 10 times 27, 270. So 8 plus 7 is 15, so it's going to be 354. 354, square root of that is 18. So that's the answer. Another way you can do this is you can multiply them out and see how many copies of numbers you get. So you do the 27, a 3 here and a 9 here, a 3 and a 3. That's the 27. The 12 is a 2, 6, 3, and a 3. 2 and a 3, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4 threes, 2 twos. So 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. Because that's what's the order. It's 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. All multiplied together. Those are really bad threes. Sorry. And then you take all the pairs, those 2 threes, those 2 threes, and those 2 twos, and you multiply them. 3 times 3, you don't multiply all of them because then that would just get you back to this. You multiply each pair. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. It gets you 18. E, sorry, that was a long explanation. Oh, this one's harder to erase. My arms hurt. E, negative, or yeah, in parentheses, negative square root of 21 squared. So, first thing you do, you cancel out well, you technically you cancel them out, but not really. You take the exponent of 2 and move it into the parentheses. So yes, it does cancel out, but also it takes away the negative because it's negative 21 times negative 21 square root. So it comes out as positive. So literally you erase everything, and it's just positive 21. I did it as negative 21, I messed it up, but the answer is positive 21. That is test 4, question 1, ABCD.